Unleashed, we're committed to giving you complete stock accuracy and transparency. One key concept to understand is the difference between stock on hand and available quantity. Let's start by opening the stock on hand report. Go to Reports, Inventory, and Stock on Hand Inquiry. Here's what you'll see. Quantity on hand. This shows all the physical stock you currently have in your warehouse, every product recorded in Unleashed. Allocated stock. These are items that have already been reserved for orders or processes. We'll come back to this in a moment. Available quantity. This is the stock you can still sell or use. It's calculated as available quantity equals stock on hand minus allocated quantity. Now let's dive deeper into allocated stock. Click on the allocated quantity for any product and you'll be taken to the product allocation report. This report shows exactly where your stock is allocated, such as sales orders, warehouse transfers, assemblies or disassemblies, and stock adjustments. Please note, only sales orders allow you to deallocate stock. For example, click on a sales order and use the deallocate button at the top. When you deallocate, your available quantity increases, as you can see here. Finally, you can always monitor stock on hand, allocations, and available quantity directly on the product record. Thanks for watching.